Hello, this short video has been created to give you a brief overview of the Huntsman Security Essential 8 Auditor tool, a solution to calculate the effectiveness of your cybersecurity controls automatically. Usually, a cybersecurity audit will take a sample of systems and users and gather control effectiveness information from those to extrapolate around the rest of the environment. The Huntsman Essential 8 Auditor solution enables you to look at your entire environment, your whole network, and gather information about control effectiveness in an automated, immediate and objective way. So let's take a look and see how it operates. You configure the auditor to interrogate key data sources within your environment, including Active Directory and SCCM. The auditor automatically checks you have the right access permissions when this is configured. The auditor will retrieve details of the structure and endpoints included within Active Directory. It then shows this down to individual machine level, so you can select the parts of the organisation and the individual machines that you wish to be included within the scope of the audit. The next step is to select the audit thresholds for each of the controls to benchmark against. In this example, we're using an 80% compliance level. You can change that depending on your organisation's risk profile and the target compliances you want to achieve. Final reports will use this target number to determine the thresholds for numbers highlighted in red or green. The audit definition is now complete, so let's move on to the actual controls. In this video, we're going to run through the first control, application whitelisting. First, we confirm the endpoints that we want to audit against this control. In Windows, all group policies are stored as objects. The auditor retrieves the full list of policies so you can determine which ones to measure your environment against. For each of the selected policies, the auditor checks the configuration against the 5 key elements of the control. The desired state is that all elements of the control are enforced. In this example, policy 2 has 4 of the 5 elements enforced. As such, it gets a configuration score of 80%. The auditor then presents this coverage information and identifies specific locations that are not covered by the policy. We're now going to look at how maturity scoring is calculated using coverage and policy configuration information. One thing to note here is that because many organisations have different controls and policy expectations for workstations and servers, the auditor splits the reporting out between each type of system. There are different maturity levels defined in the ACSC Essential 8 framework, and the auditor enables you to determine exactly how your organisation is currently performing on the maturity scale of 0 to 3. The calculations allow the auditor to provide a report detailing this maturity level as an output from your audit. So we've briefly shown how to use the Huntsman Essential 8 Auditor to gather cybersecurity control effectiveness information from your environment. The tool provides automatic, comprehensive information about cybersecurity risk posture and reports for stakeholders in the SOC, in senior management, or within the audit and compliance functions. Thank you.